Applying your CosmoGlo Halo Accent Wraps. Start by removing the logo on the end of your halo for a clean finish. Use the squeegee provided in your package or a credit card. Gently push against the edge of each letter to remove. Use a minimal amount of pressure to avoid scratching the paint finish. Prep the top of the halo by cleansing the area with water and a mild unscented detergent, such as hand soap. Avoid using detergents with grease-cutting agents or perfumes, such as dish soap, as they may be too strong for proper application. Use a lint-free microfiber cloth to dab any excess water so that it does not drip, but do not wipe completely dry. Your halo accent wrap will arrive in 2 pieces. Apply each piece by positioning and adjusting it on either end of the halo. The adhesive will activate upon contact with water, so all final adjustments must be made before it dries. You will have an excess amount of vinyl on the edges of your halo. Leave for now. Use the soft edge of the provided squeegee tool to remove the excess water and air bubbles trapped under the vinyl. Start from the center of the halo and work down to the ends by pushing outward to the edges of the halo. Repeat this process on the other side. Cut the excess vinyl at each end of the halo, leaving 1/4 of an inch to wrap under the edge for a clean look. This also prevents the vinyl from lifting. Allow the vinyl to rest and dry for 24 hours before using. Thanks for watching. Please email support@thecosmoglo.com if you have any questions or concerns with applying your new CosmoGlo Halo Accent Wrap.